I'm here to improve my English. You can find our events on Facebook, London Social Network. This place is really nice, you know, because you can meet a lot of different people from different countries and meet a lot of new friends.
Hi, my name is Gianni. I'm here to learn Italian, improve my Italian. I live in London, I was born in London. I have Italian family, so it's a great way to meet people and to practice whatever language you want to learn.
Hello, I'm Laura, I'm from France. I came here to improve my English and my Spanish. So I came to London Social Network to meet people and to have fun.
Hi, my name is Claudia from Italy, and I came here to meet new people from all over the world, improve my English and just have fun together.
Hi, my name is Joel. I come from America and I live here in London now. I've come to the language exchange because it's a great way to meet new people. This evening I've already spoken in English, French, Italian, a little bit of Turkish. You meet lots of people and it's a great way to just improve your language and meet new people in a big city.